Hello everyone, in this lesson we are just going to see that how can we download WordPress, and since we are using the world's most powerful CMS which is free open source, and we are going to use that completely free, and therefore for downloading you are going to come in wordpress.org and you are going to just write /download, and when you are going to come at the down, then you will find that you have a download and WordPress that is 4.9.8. but since I'm recording that video, maybe that number could be different for you, but don't worry, the complete procedure will work same for all of that WordPress version, if it will be update or if it will remain like as it is. But I know that it will not remain as it is. WordPress is just updating on daily basis. Okay, no problem, you have to download that one, and after downloading you are going to save that one. I have already downloaded and saved that one, and after downloading you are going to open your XAMPP control panel, and I'm going to start the Apache and MySQL, and after that you can see both of them are started. And now I'm going to explore and we are going to come in docs, and I have just copied the WordPress 4.9.8 here, and you are going to just what you are going to do, extract that here, and let me just rename that WordPress as well, because then it will conflict with the name. Now I will extract it. I'm extract it here, and I'm using like WinRAR right now. Therefore you can just directly right click on that one and extract the complete file, and everything will be just downloaded here, and we are just going to install then further by configuration. Now the file has been just here, and by the name of the WordPress you are going to change that with anything like I will say that zero coding or zero code. Okay, and we are just remember that name because we are going to access that name, and I will let me change that WordPress. And now what we are just going to do, we are just going to configure our database and WordPress installation, which is the XAMPP control panel is in front of me, and we are just going to we are going to come in Explorer, and we are going to write localhost, and in localhost we are just going to click that one, and after doing so we will get like PHP admin or my admin, and you are going to click that one. And for doing so you are going to come here like in database, and we have new database, and I will call the database like zero coding, maybe zero code. Okay, and we are going to, you can just name that anything, that is not the problem. If the folder, like we have already copied our WordPress, that folder was like zero code, you can differentiate or change that name. It is not the matter that both should be similar, but for the purpose of this tutorial, since I'm using zero code all over my website, therefore I'm just creating, and it will be more easy to memorize. Okay, now you can see here we have zero code, and next we are going to come in localhost, and I will just come here like let me just show you in folder what we had, like we had here zero code. I'm going to access that one, therefore it is in localhost, which I am writing here, and we can access the zero code, and that is our main website. And you can see now the welcome screen is here, and whatsoever language you are going to select, you are free to select, but I'm going to select English for the purpose of this tutorial. You can use any one of that one, either you have Hindi or you have like Arabic, different other option is also here, and I think we have like Urdu as well, and all over the world, because it is one of the most popular CMS platform which thousands, or if I'm not wrong, million of websites are using like WordPress. And we are going to click continue, and after that we are going to configure like database name and database user and password and host and table prefix. We will say that let's go. Since we have already created the database name, which was 0 code, and the user, we will just write that. Since I'm just installing that in the local host, therefore we are going to write that root. And for the password, I'm going to just remove that because there is no password. And for database host name, everything will be as it is, and you don't need anything to be installed. Now submit, and all right, Sparky, you have made it through, and it means we are ready to run the installation. You are going to click run the installation, and after that you will get much more information, like you have welcome, and you are going to write the title of the website. I will write that 0 code. Title should be like 0 code. Okay, now the user, I will write like admin, no problem if I'm going to write anything. And we are just going to write like here, what should be the password? Maybe I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 now. Okay, and I will say that it is since week 1 2 3 4 5 6, but I will confirm that one, and I will write like email. And I will, no problem if I discourage the search engine from the indexing this site, because it is in localhost. And if you are working on actual web hosting, then you should not do that one. And you are going to click install WordPress, and it will install WordPress. And I don't upgrade that one, and click login, and we have like admin, and I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 password, and we are going to click login. And now we are here in our dashboard of the WordPress, and congratulations, you have successfully installed your WordPress website. It is the main dashboard, which we are going to go through some of that setting in next lesson. And if you are going to see the actual website, you are going to right click that one and see that your website looks something like this one. Let me just load that one. And that is the beautiful website right now. And we have like a post, hello world and welcome to the WordPress. This is your first website. Okay, that is front end of the website, which the user will see everything. And it is the back end of the website, which you are going to edit anything, or you are going to add anything. It could be maybe images, videos, or pictures. No problem, you can just do everything here, and afterward you can see the result in the main front page. I hope you understood that how you are going to configure your website. And therefore we are going to see in the next lesson that what is a dashboard and how we are going to see each and everything in WordPress. And after that we are just going to add a very amazing and beautiful website as well. Thank you everyone.